Hello everyone, welcome to week 14. So if some of you've missed last week video, there's no problem. I will explain again where to go and how to gain access to the online book. So you go on educ.fr. You go on this website like this. You click here on pupils first daily manual 11. You choose English here, English. You go ahead here, and it's easier if you choose Première Bac Pro because it's easy. It's a book where you've got the free level of vocational high school. So this is the one high spot. You click on voir le manuel, and you may put it on full mode, full screen mode. And first part I will correct last week work. The unit I've chosen to work is unit 22, Green Attitude. So it's a listening comprehension. It's pretty easy, this first part. I hope it was easy for you to do this work because it's really a revision work of grammar part. So in link with this track that you've got here on CD4 track 53, you should listen to the 4 people you can see here in the different captions, and then do exercise 2, 3, and finally 4. So let's correct exercise 2 first, then we will correct exercise 3 in link with the CD. So A, recycled. The answer is I, recycler. B, sort rubbish. The answer is K, trier les déchets. C, in sleep mode. The answer is H, en veille. C'est comme en mode veille. D, switch off. The answer is J, éteindre. E, the tap. The answer is L, le robinet. And finally, the light. The answer is la lumière. So this is the correction for exercise 2. Exercise 3, based on what you've been translating in exercise 3, it's very easy for you to choose words from here to complete the captions you've got here. Okay, so let's correct exercise A. While I brush my teeth, I turn off. So what do you think he's gonna turn off in front of him? The tap. Yes, the answer is E, the tap, le robinet. B, I switch off when I leave my bedroom. So you can see here in the caption picture what the woman is doing. He's switching off the light. Yes, the answer is F, the light. For C, I never leave the TV, I turn it off. So what is she doing? She's turning off the TV. So she's saying that she never leaves the TV in sleep mode. The answer is C. And the last one, D, I, and put each type in the appropriate bin. It will be recycled. I, yes, the answer is B, sort rubbish. And put it in each type, the appropriate bin, it will be recycled. This is the correction for exercise 3. And the last part, 4, read aloud the sentences corresponding to recycling. It's very easy, it's D. I sort rubbish and put each type in the appropriate bin. It will be recycled. B, water saving. Which caption from those 4 it's for water saving? Yes, it's caption A. While I brush my teeth, I turn off the tap. And the last one, energy saving. Which one? Or for energy saving? Yes, B and C. I switch off the light when I leave my bedroom. And C, I never leave the TV in sleep mode, I turn it off. So guys, that's the correction for work given on week 13. And for this week, I will give you more information in another video. Goodbye.